Hey everybody and welcome. So I had another video planned to upload. I had done it already. It was a big oops accident moment and it was really good for others, and I had it uploaded into my computer. I still have it, but I haven't finished editing it yet because I have to do an outro and it's just a mess. Um, so it'll be a little while before I get that one up. But in the meantime, I wanted to give y'all something for the people who like to watch my videos. So I figured we would do an unboxing today. Today I have an unboxing from, I know it's from Australia, but that's not helpful. And I believe it's Delightful Boutiques, if I'm not. Why is it not focusing? Okay. It's from Delightful Boutiques, I believe. Not 100% sure, but we're going to open it today. I do have my trusty knife, but I have been told by my mother that I need to calm the knife swinging down. So, this is my attempt to do that. So just bear in mind that today I'm going to try not to swing it around like a crazy person. This is just all over the place. What am I doing? That's not. This is packaged weird. It's like. Let's try this. Nope, I broke it. I can't wait for y'all to see that other video, but I've got to finish it first. But in the meantime, I'll open this one. I've been excited for this one, y'all. Yeah, this one is the one from Delightful Boutiques. I love stationery stuff. I don't know if that's something that y'all are into, but like pens and pencils and little fun things to write on and notepads and little stickers and tabs and all that kind of stuff. I'm really into that. So I saw these on here, and I think I got these for like $1 a piece. But they're cute little note tabs. And this is little post-its. And then these are little tabs, and I can use them to do my homework. But look how cute. If I can ever get it to zoom. I do not understand this computer. It zooms when it feels like it. But you can see the little bears and the strawberries. But I thought that was super cute. And I love stuff like that when I take notes. So I thought this would be a fun little moment to take notes with. Here's another one that's really similar to it. It's a little bear with, it looks like a little hoodie on. And then a little chicken and strawberries. And it's just a little cute moment to take notes with. I take a lot of notes. Here's another little notepad. Look at these cute little characters. And the little notepad, that's the little thing on the notepad. And then there's a second one where it's like the little house. And it has the little character sleeping in it. Super detailed. But I think I got these for like $1 a piece or something like that. I didn't spend very much money on it. But it is really cute. And it's like plastic on the front. It's really good quality. Yes. So the memo paper, this memo paper was $1.80 for these a piece. This notepad was $4. And this is Sumiko Jirashi. I know this is Rilakuma. Here is, okay, so a little bit of backstory for me. If you haven't watched any of my previous videos, I have a lot of food related squishies at my desk. Like, this is my favorite one. It's a little banana. And he's just a little squish. He's just a little squish. And, so that's kind of what I was going for here. I don't have an orange in my life, so I thought this would be a cute little moment. It's an orange that's a squishy, and it's also a pen holder, which I thought was cute. This is one of those where, like, I can never make up my mind whether or not I want to open them, but it looks refillable, so we'll open it and pull out Mr. Orange. Oh, wow. The feeling, it's like so smooth. It has a smell that smells intentional, but it doesn't smell like orange. I don't know what that smells like. Like sweet. Really sweet, but not orange. Anyway, super slow rising. It still hasn't risen from, look how squishy it is. I love him. And when he does flatten out, you can see the hole in there where you can put the little pin. Okay, so I gave it a second. I let it flatten out. I let it unflatten. And it's a cute little orange. It's about, to be honest, it's about the size of an orange. Like, for real. But he's just cute. And you stick the little pin in it. And he will be my pen holder. Because I need one. I don't have one in my life. So he's super cute, though. I love him to death. And he comes with a fun little bag. I probably won't keep him in the bag because I want to use him as a pen holder. So I'll set him over here. He's my new little pen holder. But I really do love these. I don't know if y'all have ever had these before. But if you get them in the bags, they come with like hard plasticky bags. But they rattle. It sounds really neat. And if you crunch them in the bag, like, that's so satisfying to me. I don't know. Who knows? I have some other things. Alright, this is a chocolate bar keychain. And it's Pocky Cracking Chocolates keychain. And I'm going to take him out of here because it's a keychain. I can't get him out. Get out of there. Let me love you. And this has made things very difficult in my life. Okay. There we go. Now he comes out. So he is a little chocolate bar. And he's cracked. And then he goes back together. Are you serious? I might have just like discovered the best thing ever. Let me take the plastic off so you can see it's a little chocolate bar. And let's say I want to break off a chocolate bar and give it to my friend. Then you just break it. That is the best. And he's a little keychain, so you can take him everywhere. And I will. I will take him everywhere. Okay, he smells like chocolate. I think. Yeah. This is super neat. This is super neat. I love this. I love it. totally amazing. And he was $8, which is a little steep, but I wanted a keychain so bad. I love keychains, and I wanted to add him to my keychain bag that I bought at Five Below that I showed y'all. I already added the other keychain that I got in a previous video, and now I want to add my chocolate bar keychain to it as well. What do I have next? Okay, so this is a mochi. It's a White Bear Family squares. And I love how they all say do not eat. Yes, you're not supposed to eat them. That is obvious. You don't eat a bear family. A polar bear family. So I'm taking it out of the plastic here, which is a mess. And then you just have, oh, he's so soft. He's like, I don't even understand. It just doesn't smell like anything. But he's so soft. And it squishes. He squishes. This is the weirdest feeling thing I've ever felt. Because it squishes, but like the inside feels like it's plasticky. I don't even know how to explain it. But I will be squishing him in my life. He's kind of ugly now. But I love him, and he's super soft, and he squishes so right. But he's him and his little friend. And I do have ink all over me because I've been taking notes. And I can't not have ink all over me. Because that would be crazy. That'd be bananas. Bananas. This is my favorite thing in the whole world. It smells weird. It smells like... This is a weird departure from what I'm doing, but there was something Mary-Kate and Ashley... If you lived in like the early 2000s, you know about Mary-Kate and Ashley. And Mary-Kate and Ashley, it literally smells like something that they put out, like a shoe or something. Like a really cheap shoe. Do y'all remember they had Mary-Kate and Ashley? They had a whole Mary-Kate and Ashley section at the Walmart where you could buy clothes, like in the kids section is Mary-Kate and Ashley. Did y'all live back then? Because that really did happen. Oh, it says, Dear Jessica, thank you for your purchase. We are delighted to receive your order. We hope you are excited and happy with everything inside. Can't wait until you shop with us again next time. That's sweet. And that's from Delightful Boutique. I'm still digging. Want to win a free squish? It gives you the details on how to win a free squish if you want to get in on that. And that would be fun. And is this the last thing in the box? Because I like to let y'all know when that's the case. Yes, it's the last thing in the box. Okay, this was the free squish that I got. This is actually not... I didn't order this. I don't even know what it is. But it looks like... I wish y'all could see it. It looks like... I don't know, like a... There's a cat eating some kind of machinery on that part. I don't speak anything but English, so unfortunately I can't read that. All the stuff on the back is also not where I can read it. And of course, don't eat it. But it looks like machinery, but also cats. Not sure. But they sent me a squish, so let's see what he looks like. What does the squish look like? There's the squish. It looks like a girl, like a lady. Long, luscious locks of gold. But also heavy machinery. Like track wheels. Y'all know what I don't know what I'm doing. Can y'all see it? No. But I don't know what this is. Anyways, I'll squish it for you. So he squishes, and he comes up kind of slow, or she does. This is clearly a madam, with the little eyelashes and the long, luscious golden locks. But, ooh, squish. And he pops back up. This has the feeling, though, of like a stress ball more than like a squishy, in my opinion. Like, squishies are like squishable. Like, you squish it and it stays down for the count for a little while and then it'll pop back up. They're much softer. But this feels more like plastic-esque, where it doesn't stay down very long. It just kind of pops back up into place, and it's just more like stress ball feeling. But cute. So that's it for my Delightful Boutique box. I did order all of this stuff from... It came shipped to me from Australia. I'm not sure if... that's not where they make it. Because on all of these things it says made in Japan. So that can't be right. But that's where they ship it from. So if y'all would like any of these things, you can get them on the Delightful Boutique website. I'll link that down below so that you can check that out. I just thought that I would spend a minute with y'all and do an opening because I haven't seen y'all in a while. I was trying to upload every day, and honestly, when I'm not in school, that's perfectly possible. But right now, with me being in school, it's very difficult to do that. I have a few other videos that I want to make. I've got some other boxes to unbox. I've got some other things to do, but I thought we would spend a minute doing something today since I haven't been able to see y'all in a while. I got to get back to my homework. I've got a test Friday, so I'm trying really hard to stay focused on that. But I thought I'd take a break and do a video, and I will see y'all later. Hope y'all have a great week. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.